powder like this on you and be like, oh, you wearing a wig. You did good, sis. That's how people be like. That's how people telling me. Anywho. What's up, y'all? It's your girl. Yes, I'm back, and I'm about to install this wig for y'all. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some powder. And I'm gonna just put it on my wig cap. And this wig, I already installed it and wore it, but I wanted to install it to show y'all how I install and do my hair separately. But we're also gonna take some them red spots, don't worry about it. We're gonna take some powder and we're gonna put it in the lace itself. Not too much, because this actually melts really good into my head, but I want to make sure that this part, when I start to part it, it looks brown and not white. I just like drag it up to the front, not concentrating on it, but just drag whatever's left over on my brush. And I'm actually going to cut some more of this lace off, because I actually left just a little bit too much for me to be comfortable, because I did cut it on my head, which I honestly don't really like to do. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this lace off, and then I'm going to show y'all how I install it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now that we have our wig on, no, I don't do all this, it's just a closure. I'm not doing all that. Okay, so as you can see, my edges are out. That is because my edges come down really low, and if I were to pull my wig all the way down past to touch my edges, it would be up here. Okay, so I just leave them out, and I'm gonna show y'all how I color it, but so it can match the wig. But I don't use glue. I'm gonna use Got To Be. Glue is too hard to clean off the lace for me personally. It takes, well, it's not hard, it just takes a little bit longer, and Got To Be comes right out. It probably takes it about 5 minutes to wash out the lace. If y'all want a video on how I do that, let me know. But all I do is I'm gonna take some on my finger, and I'm gonna go where I see the lace starting. So that's why I pull it to where I want my middle part to be, which is about here. Take them hairs out the way. So from here to here, we're gonna lay gel down. You don't want to use too much, but you want to use enough that it stick. Oh shit. And that is evenly like spread out across your hairline wherever you need it to be. Now we're gonna take some of the freezing spray. Take blow dryer, cool setting. We don't want to dry it too long. We just want to dry it enough to make it tacky. And then we're gonna take our lace and we're gonna move it up. And you want your wig to be comfortable. Like, you don't want it to be sliding back or nothing. Like, you want it to be on your head comfortably. And we're just gonna push all this down. I'm looking at a mirror, y'all, because I can't just look in that. And now we're gonna go through to the parts that may not be laying down as great. Whatever parts aren't sticking or laying down properly, we're just gonna hit them with some freeze spray. I don't know why, but I feel like freeze spray will just like melt the fuck out of your lace. Like, I don't know why I don't know. But I feel like that after that lace is laid, hit of freeze spray, I feel like that's where you get your quality. Now, I have a little black thing that I like to put on my head when I do my lace, but I always lose it after like using it one time, and that is just like the strangest thing in the world to me. But whatever, I'm just gonna use this satin one. Okay, so now that that is finished, we are gonna go ahead and get into the styling portion of this. So I don't know, let me back this up a little bit. I kind of want to do like straight hair again, but I also kind of want to do some curls. I feel like curls would be so freaking cute in this hair. So, but I got a lot of hair. That shit would take forever. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and do our part. Whatever we decide to do, gotta make sure this part is together. And I'm sorry, y'all, this is how I do it. Gotta make sure that it's straight. We're gonna add powder and stuff to our lace later, but that's just because y'all was real close. That's why y'all saw all that. I really don't be caring if I gotta get that close to see your lace. Like, sis, you did good. If I gotta get like this on you and be like, oh, you wearing a wig, you did good, sis. That's how people be like. That's how people telling me. Anywho, now we are going to take some mousse to lay on top, and we want our hair to be flat, okay? Flat. And we're gonna comb that mousse into that hair down. We're gonna split our hair up into 2 sections. So, gonna take this. I like to work section by section, and I would find the little black thing that I was looking for now. Okay, whatever. Anywho, back to what I'm saying. So we gonna do this. I'm gonna do this section first on my left side. I'm gonna do this section first, and then I'm gonna come back once it's done to show y'all whether the curls worked out or whether I decided to do it straight, because I'm not gonna waste time just doing that on camera. Okay, so I went with the curls, and they came out really cute. Now, I don't know if this hair is gonna hold or not, but that's the whole point of this. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do the curls. So I just take a piece of hair. I've been doing it like this all over my head. I take some of this oil. It's called cuckoo oil. No, kukui oil, and it's anti-frizz hydrating oil. You put it on. You're supposed to put it on after, but I put it on before. Cause I meant to get flat ironing oil from them, and it's in the same damn bottle, but you just want to curl down and away from your face. So your hair should be behind this piece on every side. That's the rule of thumb. That's how you're going to get a good curl every time, is remembering always curl down and away, and making sure that that piece that you're curling always stays on the opposite side. And that's how you're going to get that bombshell. You see how you're going to get that nice fall you know, look. I'm gonna do it again to show y'all because I feel like I might have done it too fast for y'all to really see what I was doing. And then I'm gonna just roll it upwards and then add a clip to hold that curl, because we want our curls to hold. We don't want them to be because if I wouldn't have done this part, they probably would have been falling on this side. So we don't want them to fall, we want them to hold. And then another key is to not rush and try to do really big sections of curls, because the curls won't heat all the way through, and that'll cause them to fall because all the hair won't be curled. It'll feel like it's curled on the outside, and the inside the curls will fall. So you don't want to use too much hair, trying to be, you know, too fast with it. Put it towards the end of your flat iron, right? Make sure you pull the rest of that hair back, because again, you're going away from your face. As you're curling, making sure that you're pulling that hair back. So that way, when you flip your curling iron, that hair comes out right there on that side, like so. And you want to make sure that you're just turning it as you get so far down, and you see like how much space that is. Make sure that you're curling it back up. Hold and release, and then take it and wrap it. This is also going to give a lot of its shape by wrapping it up to hold the curl. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the rest of this video, showing y'all how to do it. Frizz Ease Firm Hold from Walmart. Y'all can't tell me that's not melted. Like, I'm gonna clean all this off, but like lace wear. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to look. I love how my curls look, especially with my highlights in the back. It looks so bomb. And I can't wait for these curls to start to fall and my hair get nice and big. Oh my freaking god. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and comment, you know, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Yes, sir. Helping that